Motorola MA1 wireless Android Auto. It's a sticky pad to stick in the car. Made in Taiwan. It's a simple USB device. It's like a dongle. It has only one button, sync button, and one LED light. First, connect your mobile phone using wire. So the Android Auto has to be worked with the phone using wire first. Now disconnect the wire and immediately connect the wireless Android Auto dongle. Now connect with the Bluetooth. You can see some name called Android Auto and some numbers. Connect it. Pair. If it is connected, you should see a solid green light. Now connect the normal MG Bluetooth. The device should be connected wirelessly. You can see it's connected without a wire. The solid green light let's manage. So it should be managed from the phone screen first time. So go through the green instructions. Now we can use on the car display. You can see my Waze app is on. The Google Map is on. It's connected wirelessly. We can use split screen mode to play a music and a navigation or any two other applications. Or you can use the full screen to navigation. That's all for today. Enjoy your wireless Android Auto. Drive safe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.